From the My Messages tab, click New. You will see New Message, and then I would like to. From here, there are a variety of message types to choose from on the drop-down menu. You will see Ask a Medical Question, Request a Medical Record, Ask an Insurance Question, or Ask a General Question. Depending on the type of question you would like to ask, your message will be routed to different team members within our office. For example, let's say you would like to ask a medical question. Those questions will be answered by our triage nurses, medical records by our medical records department, insurance questions by our business office, and all other general questions will be reviewed by a team member and directed to the appropriate person to assist you. Please remember, our office will only be able to respond to messages during business hours. Therefore, if you send a message after hours or on the weekend, we will reply to the messages in the order they are received as soon as we are back in the office. The My Messages feature does allow for attachments. Therefore, if you need to send us forms to complete, you may attach them and we can return them to you through the portal. My Messages also retains a record of communications between you and the office in the inbox and the sent folder, unless you choose to delete the messages. So, let's send a message. Let's say you need to request a shot record for daycare for your child. Let's choose Request a Medical Record. Next, type in shot record for daycare. And then in the details box, let's say you need it by Tuesday. Once completed, click Send. A message will appear stating that the message was sent successfully. Again, a record of your message will be retained under My Messages and the Sent folder.